Hello, this is Shanoj. In this video, I'm going to discuss the collections portion of AWS Big Data Services. Amazon Kinesis, the way AWS service evolved, it can be a little bit confusing. So let's clarify what we are talking here when we say the word Amazon Kinesis. Biologically, kinesis is a movement or activity of a cell or an organism in response to a stimulus. It is also pretty similar, but this is technology. So let's have a look at what Amazon has given it in the document. What is Amazon Kinesis? Amazon Kinesis is a managed, scalable, cloud-based service that allow real-time processing of streaming large amount of data per second. It is designed for real-time application and allows developers to take in any amount of data from several sources, scaling up and down, that can be run on EC2 instance. This is the definition in the AWS document. So Amazon Kinesis allows you to collect, process, and analyze streaming data to generate insight and quickly react to new data. Now, this is very generic as a concept, actually has a lot of jargon around it and different service under in it. So let's take a look at each service. Multiple services, as I said. Kinesis streams or Kinesis data streams, which is going to be a low latency streaming ingest at scale. Kinesis analytics to perform real-time analytics on streams and SQL. And finally, there is Kinesis Firehorse to load streams into S3, Redshift, Elasticsearch, and can be Splunk also. So, what is the architecture surrounding of Kinesis? The center we have Amazon Kinesis services, and the first one we are going to visit is Amazon Kinesis streams. So the streams can take a lot of data. For example, click streams or IoT devices or connected bikes or metrics and logs from your servers directly. So the streams will just ingest. The streams will ingest. But when you would like to analyze that there in a real time, maybe you are trying to compute a metrics to build alerts. For this, you can use optionally the Amazon Kinesis Analytics. Kinesis Analytics service, and then once you have all the data that you may want to store in somewhere for later analysis or a real-time dashboard or all that kind of stuff can be done by Amazon Firehorse. Now, Firehorse is not a real-time service. It is in near real-time, but not real-time. So what does Kinesis Firehorse do? Sorry, Firehorse. Well, it can be deliver your data to Amazon S3 bucket or a Redshift database or Splunk or Elasticsearch. So that gives you a high level overview of the architecture of Kinesis. Let's examine some of the features. Real-time processing. It allows to collect and analyze information in real time. Easy to use. Using Amazon Kinesis, we can create a new stream, set its requirement, and start stream very quickly. High throughput elasticity. It allows to collect and analyze information in real time. Integrate with other Amazon services. It can be integrated with Amazon Redshift, Amazon S3, and Amazon DynamoDB. Uh, Building Kinesis applications. Kinesis provides the developer with client libraries, mm, basically that enable uh, and help to design and operation of real-time processing. Adding Kinesis client library to Java application, and it will notify when a new data is available for processing. It's also cost effective. Amazon Kinesis is cost efficient for workloads of any scale because we are only paying as we go. So the resources used and pay hourly for the throughput required. Thank you.